Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready, wallet configured and at least one card added. Open Messages and select the chat where you want to send money. Once the conversation is open, tap the app drawer next to the text field, then tap the Apple Pay button to pull up the payment sheet. You'll see your default card. If you want to change it, tap the card icon. This begins the transaction flow so you can enter an amount and proceed. Enter the amount using the keypad. Use dollars and cents as needed, for example $12.50, and watch the total update. Once done, swipe the card carousel to pick which card will fund the payment. You might choose a debit card for instant transfer or a credit card for rewards. After choosing, tap Send to initiate payment to the recipient or request if you expect money back. Make sure the recipient's name or number is correct. To complete the payment, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This signs and sends the payment securely. Once done, you'll see a blue Apple Pay bubble in the thread. Tap it to review the amount, card used, and transaction status. If the transfer fails, make sure the card and wallet is active, the device has cellular or Wi-Fi, and the recipient can receive Apple Pay. As a quick troubleshoot, restart messages and check wallet settings, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.